Hello students! For our new topic, we have the problem solving on rational expression. Our learning competency here is to solve all involving mali. Hello students! For our topic for today, we have problem solving on rational expression. Our learning competency here is to solve problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Our unpacked learning competency here is to solve problems involving rational algebraic expressions. Now, let's try to have an example. Example number 1, we have the problem, Laila can finish the job within 8 hours, while Johnson can finish the job within 6 hours. How long does it take the two to finish the job together? Now, here's our solution. First, let Laila know that he can finish the job in 8 hours, while Johnson can finish the job within 6 hours. Then, together, we will assume that it will be x. Now, we will have the equation like this one. 1 all over 8 or 1/8 is Laila, plus 1 all over 6 is Johnson. Then, is equal to 1 all over x. Is together. They finish the job. Then next, let's try to find the LCD. The LCD will be 24. Then we will have the equation or the problem. 24 divided by 8, we will have 3. Multiplied by 1, we will have 3 all over 24. Plus 24 divided by 6, we will have 4. Multiplied by 1, we have 4 over 24 is equal to 1 all over x. Then next, combine the like terms, so we will have 7 all over 24 is equal to 1 all over x. Then the next step is to cross multiply. 7 multiplied by x, then 24 multiplied by 1. So we will have 7x is equal to 24. Then next, divide both sides by 7. So 7x divided by 7, cancel, cancel. Then 24 divided by 7, we will have 3.4 hours. So together, they can finish the job within 3.4 hours. Now, let's try to have another example. In example number 2, we have the problem, Hanabi can finish making a batch of flower decor in 2 hours. However, Kagura can do the same job in 6 hours. If the two will work together, how long it will take them to finish the same job? So now, here's our solution. So first, we know that Hanabi can finish the job in 2 hours, while Kagura can finish the job in 6 hours. But together, we assume that it will be x first. So now we will have the equation 1 all over 2 or 1 half plus 1 all over 6 or 1/6 is equal to 1 all over x. Now, second step is to find the LCD. The LCD will be 6. Then, 6 divided by 2, we have 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3 all over 6. Then, 6 divided by 6, we have 1 times 1, we have 1 all over 6 is equal to 1 all over x. Then, simplify. So we will have 4 all over 6 is equal to 1 all over x. Then next step is to cross multiply. 4 multiplied by x, we have 4x is equal to 6. Then next, we have to divide both sides by 4. So 4x divided by 4, cancel, cancel. Then 6 divided by 4, we will have 1.5 hours. Then, Hanabi can finish the job in 2 hours, while Kagura can finish the job in 6 hours, but together, they can finish the job within 1.5 hours or 1.5 hours. Then next, let's try to have another example. Ling can paint the wall in 2 hours, and his brother Zilong can paint the wall in 4 hours. How long will it take them to paint the wall if they work together? Now, let's try to have the solution. So, we know that Ling can paint the wall within 2 hours. Then Zilong with 4 hours. Together, we have x first. So, we will have the fraction 1 half plus 1/4 is equal to 1 all over x. Then next, let's try to find the LCD. The LCD will be 4. 4 divided by 2, we have 2 multiplied by 1, we have 2 all over 4. Then 4 divided by 4, we have 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1/4 is equal to 1 all over x. Then, add the fraction. 1 2/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1 all over x. Then we will have 3 all over 4 is equal to 1 all over x. Then next step is to cross multiply. 3x is equal to 4. Then divide both sides by 3. So cancel 3 there. We have x all over 4 over 3 or 1.3 hours. Now, we know that Ling can paint the wall within 2 hours. And Zilong can paint the wall within 4 hours. But together, they can point or paint the wall with 1.3 hours. Then next, our fourth example, we have the given Esmeralda can rake a lawn and bag the leaves in 5 minutes. While Gra can rake a lawn and bag the leaves in 3 minutes on the other hand. And Angela can rake a lawn and bag the leaves in 15 minutes. How long will it take for them to rake a lawn and bag the leaves if they work together? Now, here's our representation. We know that Esmeralda can rake within 5 minutes, while Crack can rake in 3 minutes. And Angela can do the same job with 15 minutes. Together, we will have x. So here is our equation. 1 all over 5 for Esmeralda plus 1 all over 3 for Grac, then 1 all over 15 for Angela is equal to 1 all over x, that together. Then, second step is to find the LCD. We will have 15. So 15 divided by 5, we have 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3 all over 15. Then 15 divided by 3, we have 5 multiplied by 1, we have 5 all over 15. Then last one, 15 divided by 15, we have 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1 all over 15. Then just add. So we will have 9 all over 15 is equal to 1 all over x. Then next step, we will have to cross multiply. We have 9x is equal to 15. Then divide both sides by 9. So we will have x is equal to 1.7 minutes. So remember that Esmeralda can do within 5 minutes, Grac in 3 minutes, and Angela within 15 minutes. But together, they can do the job within 1.7 minutes. Okay, for our last example, we have the problem. Mia can oil a lane of bowling alley in 8 minutes. Carrie can oil the lane in 4 minutes. On the other hand, Karina can oil the lane in 16 minutes. How long will it take for them if they work together? So, we have the scenario, Mia in 8 minutes, Carrie in 4 minutes, Karina in 16 minutes, then together we have x. So here's our fraction. 1 all over 8 for Mia, 1/4 for Carrie, 1 all over 16 for Karina, and 1 all over x for they work together. So first, try to find the LCD or the least common denominator. So we will have 16. Then divide the LCD to the denominators. So we have 16 divided by 8, we have 2 multiplied by 1, we have 2 all over 16. Then 16 divided by 4, we have 4 multiplied by 1, we have 4 all over 16. Then 16 divided by 16 is 1 multiplied by 1, we have all over 16. Then just add, so we will have 7 all over 16 is equal to 1 all over x. Then cross multiply, so we will have 7x is equals to 16. Then lastly, divide both sides by 7. So cancel 7 there. So x is equal to 2.2 minutes. So Mia can do in 8 minutes, Carrie in 4 minutes, Karina in 6 minutes, but if they work together, they can finish the job within 2.2 minutes. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. See you in the video conference. Bye.